Hello everyone, my name is Niranjan and welcome to my channel Niranjan K Designs. I will give information about different design software on my YouTube channel like AutoCAD, CATIA, SolidWorks, PTC Creo, Simonix, SolidEdge, etc. and etc. I will upload one video every day. So don't forget to subscribe and share one more to your friends who are looking for a career in design. Okay, so let's begin. Take a circle, center diameter. Zoom out, specify point 0, sorry, 0, tab 0, enter. Diameter is 100 mm. Okay, zoom out. Again, center diameter circle, specify point 0, tab 0, enter. Now 50 mm diameter. Okay, zoom out. For a zoom out, use a scroll button on your mouse. Then take a line command. I use L, enter, specify point 0, tab 0, enter. Now I want a straight line, straight and horizontal. So I on ortho. Here is ortho. Okay. Now my line is only in a vertical or horizontal. Take a dimension 120 mm, 120, enter. Right side 10 mm, enter. Down, zoom out, adjust the screen. Okay. Downside 25, left side again 10, enter, and again 96, enter, again 10, enter, upper side 25, enter. Now 10, enter. I take a vertical line, escape, again enter for line command, specify point, end point to this point. Okay, zoom in. Okay, that's it. Now I use a 10 radius. I want to curve this circle to this line, this circle to this line. Okay, I use 10 radius command. Here is a command 10 radius. Click it, specify tangent point here. Then second point is here, and radius is a 45. Enter. That's it. Again 10 radius. Here is a select first one, select second point, and radius 150. Enter. Now I use trim. TR double enter. Okay, trim unknown parts, unwanted parts like this line, zoom out, this line, this line, okay, this line, like close to grid lines, okay, nice, looks like good, okay, that's it, user escape, uh, I think here is a one line, delete it, it's so simple. Now, I use annotate, here is annotate here, and use center mark for this circle. Okay, that's it. Take a dimension. Here is 100. One 50, 45. This point to this point, 25. Here to here, 10 mm. Okay. So in this video, we learn about 10-10 radius. That's enough for today. See you tomorrow. Bye.